Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something we all crave, authentic relationships that stand the test of time. Whether it's with friends, family, or romantic partners, building these connections can truly enrich our lives. So, let's get into some tips and strategies to help you cultivate these lifelong bonds. First up, let's talk about communication. Open and honest communication is the bedrock of any strong relationship. Make it a habit to express your thoughts and feelings clearly, but also listen, really listen, to what the other person is saying. Active listening fosters understanding and trust, which are crucial for any lasting relationship. Next, show appreciation and gratitude. It's easy to take people for granted, especially those we see regularly. Make an effort to acknowledge the little things they do and express your gratitude. A simple thank you or I appreciate that can make a world of difference in how valued they feel. Now let's not forget about quality time. In our fast-paced world, it's essential to carve out time to spend with the people who matter most. Whether it's a weekly catch-up with friends or a date night with your partner, these moments of connection help strengthen your bond. Supporting each other is also key. Be there for your friends and loved ones through thick and thin. Offer a helping hand, lend an ear, or just be present when they need you. This mutual support builds a foundation of loyalty and trust. Let's dive into a bit of advice specifically for romantic relationships. Keeping the spark alive takes effort, but it's definitely worth it. The Gottman Institute suggests that small, everyday interactions are vital. A hug in the morning, a sweet message during the day, or a meaningful conversation at night can all contribute to a deeper connection. Conflict is inevitable, but how you handle it matters. Approach disagreements with a mindset of resolution rather than confrontation. Practice empathy and try to understand your partner's perspective. This can turn potentially damaging conflicts into opportunities for growth and understanding. For parents out there, nurturing authentic relationships with your teens is just as crucial. The Gottman Institute highlights the importance of open communication and emotional support. Be present, listen without judgment, and guide them with empathy. These efforts help build a strong, trusting relationship that can withstand the ups and downs of adolescence. Lastly, remember that relationships are a two-way street. It's not just about what you can get, but also what you can give. Be willing to make compromises, show empathy, and invest time and effort. Authentic relationships thrive when both parties are committed to nurturing them. So there you have it. Some essential tips and strategies to help you build authentic relationships that last a lifetime. Remember, the key is consistent effort, open communication, and mutual support. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care and cherish those connections.